Hey all, I wanted to share the fix I did on this Power Wheels Jeep Hurricane. I had a neighbor drop it off, having a lot of issues with the tire play and camber, and check out these spindles in the play that was there. So I split the plastic front housing, pulled out the axle, the box to inspect and see what was the root cause of the play. What I found, the holes were very elongated where the axle is supposed to ride. So what I did is I had some 1/2-inch gas pipe. I cut and welded a section there. I drilled that out to a 5/8 inner diameter, and then I used these sleeve bearings that were 5/8 OD by 7/16 ID to fit over the Power Wheels axle. So the result was very good. Very little play, awesome motion. Here's a picture of the camber and the result. Here's a video showing how it steers side to side. Great result. Just wanted to share. Thanks.